Hi, everybody. Okay, so this is for Psych 102, the self-reflection assignment number 2. So on this assignment, you have 3 choices. Um, what I really want to see is I want to see that you take the time to reflect. The more we know ourselves, the more we can change our life. So all of these exercises that you're doing are really self-empowerment exercises. I want you to learn more of who you are. Um, so nobody else is going to read this except for me. Um, So all of your stuff will be confidential. I just want you to know that. But again, do the 1 to 2 pages. It has to be at least 1 page, excuse me, double spaced. And you're going to do a title page. So your choice, you have 3 choices. One is what difficult emotions come up for you most frequently, and kind of consider the triggers. You'll look at, download the document and you'll see all of the prompts that go with that. But look at difficult emotions and how they affect your life. Do you know when they come up, or do they feel like is reactivity feeling like fate? Does it feel like it comes out of nowhere? If those difficult emotions had a voice, what would they tell you? So explore that prompt. The second one is, or the second choice is, what are 3 self-defeating thoughts that show up in your self-talk? So an example might be, I'm not smart enough to do that. No one will like me. Why should I even try? I'm not a good friend. I'm fat. I'm disgusting. I'm such a blank. And then you fill in the blank. So any of those would be examples of that. But you choose the ones that are most salient to you, the ones that show up in your life the most often. And then the exercise then is to notice the 3 most common self-talk. I guess I should say toxic self-talk phrases that you use, and then work to reframe them. So when you reframe them, you want it to be something that's believable, but yet more accurate. So it's not like just some fake optimism where we put on these rose-colored glasses and act like everything's perfect. Like, I'm not smart enough becomes I'm the smartest person ever. No, it has to be believable. So I'm not smart enough might look like, if I study hard, I know that I'm going to get a good grade. Or if I study hard, I know I can do well enough. And you'll see a few examples on that, the sheet that I uploaded onto Canvas. And then what I want you to do is write about your reaction. Because again, it needs to be at least a page, 1 to 2 pages. So write about what it feels like to look at that reframe. Does it feel believable? Is it something that you could do? Is it something you're willing to do? And the more we can interrupt those automatic thoughts, the more we build our self-esteem and change our life. Okay, and the third option is, what are the primary means of coping that you use? Which coping strategies are healthy that you use, and which coping strategies seem maladaptive? And then maybe even looking at what kind of stressors or traumas cause you to reach for those maladaptive coping strategies. Do you have a lack of tolerance for certain emotions that you just want to hurry and push them away? So those are the ideas that you want to look at for option number 3. It's really about the steps that you see as a process to help you move toward using more adaptive coping strategies. Okay, and that is due, you'll upload that to Canvas. It's due October 10th, and it's the same grading scale. Mechanics are 1 to 25 points. APA style is 1 to 25 points. Again, you need a title page. APA style, everything is double spaced. And then quality of thought is 1 to 50 points. So I really want to see that you took time to self-reflect, because this is for you. This is about you learning you. This is about you changing your life and becoming the best version of you thus far. Okay, see you later.